Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to NPL Technical. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you to fix file manager not showing on your home screen or on your app gallery screen. So without further ado, let's dive into the solution. Firstly, you need to open your settings on your phone. Now scroll down and find out the section called apps. Now click on manage apps. Search file manager on the search bar. Click on it. Now you need to clear the cache file of file manager. Click on clear cache and hit OK. Once you done that, just go back and go to the section called manage home screen shortcut. As you can see here guys, it is turned off. You just need to turn it on. So once you turn it on, go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. I hope this method will definitely gonna fix your issue.
Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.